This example we'll be doing with zooming in and zooming out of an equation, looking at it in different window sizes. I'm basically going to put this equation in where it's going to be 5x cubed minus 9x squared minus 26x plus 24. So if I was to graph this, right now it is graphed in a normal 10, negative 10 screen. So in this case, I'm going to be looking at in areas of if you wanted to zoom in or zoom out, what this would look like. So right now we're kind of zoomed in. We cannot make out really what this graph looks like. But if I was to take a larger approach, if I was to say zoom out, I can put zoom out and enter. Brings out a much larger window. Once again, not the best field of view we want to see, but I can start to see some characteristics coming up from the top and the bottom. To see what that window would be, I could basically push window, and all of a sudden it's zoomed out to a negative 40/40 window. So it's quite large, especially when we're looking at, though, there's not much in the realms of out in the negative x or positive x direction. Pretty much everything's happening in the y. So to adjust this, if I wanted to see a better view of what's going on, I can do two things. One, I can take my window, and if I notice that my x is negative 40, let's say if I make that a negative 10, and my y and my y max, x max, sorry, put that as positive 10. Once again, my y values are still at negative 40, positive 40, but my x I changed from negative 10 to a positive 10. So here I can see, once again, it's a trinomial. It's got 3 points. And I'm able to see the graph a little better. If I wanted to zoom in at a specific spot in this equation, if I wanted to zoom in and look at a certain value, let's say where the graph intersects here, I don't know what the window would be, but I do know what I want to see. I want to see just this region here. I can go zoom and I go Z box. This opens a little cursor here. This little cursor, I can move around the screen wherever I want. And I'm going to make myself a little box here to view. So I get the upper left hand portion, hit enter. Kind of makes it a tag point. Move over to the size that I want to see in my screen. And then when I hit enter, my new window is going to just be this. So I hit enter. As we can see, the value is coming right across, and that's my screen. If I want to see what the window is, because once again I had no idea, but I just know what I wanted to see, here's my new viewing window. And you can see it's quite small, x of negative 2 to negative 1. So, and y is from negative 5 to 5. So that is how we do with zooming or changing the window screen to get a better view of a graph.